Should you actually use Posthog? This video is a full review about the Posthog, so to answer that question is... So, if you're building a product and want full control over user analytics, then Posthog might be exactly what you need. It is open source, event-based, and built for devs who hate relying on 10 different tools. You get session recordings, heat maps, feature flags, A/B testing, and even product analytics all in one platform. And if you're privacy focused, then Posthog can be fully self-hosted so your user data stays on your hand. But heads up, it's more technical than plug and play looks tools like Mixpanel or Google Analytics. So if you're not comfortable with some setup or engineering, you might find the learning curve steep. So the bottom line for this is that choose Posthog if you want powerful, flexible analytics with full control, especially if you're building fast and care about your privacy. If you want super polished and simple, look for elsewhere. For dev first team, Posthog is really a hidden gem.